Corey Ashton, and on today's short video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to install event tickets, and I'll give you a very quick overview of the general settings. Let's go take a look. You'll visit your WordPress dashboard and go to Plugins and click Add New. On the right side, we'll do a search for event tickets. Here it is right here, Event Tickets by Modern Tribe. This plugin can stand on its own, or it can stack on the events calendar, which you can see I've already installed the events calendar. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'll show you what it looks like with event tickets stacked on the free events calendar. Install now and activate. Once that's complete, on the left side over here under events, you can visit the settings area, and now you'll have a tab called tickets right up here at the top. Clicking on that allows us to set some overview settings for event tickets. The first one is the post type that can have tickets: a post, a page, or an event. Again, if you're using this plugin as a standalone, it can be applied to a post or a page. We're using this though stacked on top of the events calendar plugin, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it as the post type for event. The location of the RSVP form is your next option here. This setting only impacts events made with the classic editor. So below the event details is default. You also have the options for above the event details, below the event description, or above the event description. The location of tickets form. Again, this setting only impacts events made with the classic editor at this time, but below the event details is the default option, above event details, below the event description, or above the event description. This allows you to change the number of tickets left threshold. You can leave it blank by default there if you like to always show how many tickets are left. Login requirements is the next selection here. You can require the users to be logged in before they RSVP, or require them to be logged in before they purchase tickets. And lastly, Tribe Commerce. If you would like to go ahead and accept payments via PayPal, you can enable this and go ahead and set up your PayPal account to allow people to make payments directly. These are just a few extra steps that allow you to easily and quickly connect with your PayPal account. And again, all of these options are inside of the free version of event tickets. If you needed to use a different payment gateway, like WooCommerce, you can easily upgrade to Event Tickets Plus. That allows you all sorts of different e-commerce providers and allows you to collect other information on your customers, your attendees, and use QR codes so that you can have that for your tickets. So be sure to check that out. I'll put the link to that in the description box below as well. If you'd like detailed instructions on how to configure PayPal here, we have a separate tutorial just for that. I'll put the link to that in the description box below. Super simple for you to come over here and walk through this article step by step, teaching you how to connect your PayPal account with your WordPress website. Once you're done, you'll scroll to the bottom and go ahead and click Save Changes. Now that you have that set up, you can head over into your events and see the different settings now inside of there for your tickets. We'll go into the edit mode. You'll see that we're running the new block editor. And scrolling down, you'll see this section here for the tickets. And in here, you can change the ticket type and just say general. And we'll do $8. You have the ticket capacity here. There are additional advanced options that you can open up and take a look at, setting a sale duration, time and date, to and from. A ticket SKU, if you need to keep track of that, you have a note area here to do that as well, and you can click Update Ticket. You can make as many different ticket options as you would like in this area. You also have an RSVP area where you can set the configuration just by opening up here and naming it if you'd like. Enable not going responses if you'd like to, and again, you also have that advanced option area for the duration that this RSVP would be available. There you go. Create that RSVP and now it's available. Go ahead and click Update. And let's take a look at this on the front side. And scrolling down, I'll show you the RSVP area that we just created here. Scrolling down toward the bottom of the details, we've got this section here that we can check going. We can add multiple people if we'd like to. You can put in all the content and submit your RSVP. Hey, I hope that helped you with getting started with event tickets. If you have further questions, please be sure to reach out to our support team. I'll put the link to that in the description box below. Also, if you'd like to look at any other features, we have many other options, including email marketing, promoter, event aggregation, where we can go out and bring in all of your events from other areas online, all sorts of different ideas for you. Be sure to check those out in the links below. I'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.